motherfucker.
Hey, bro, you got some change?
I ain't got no change, my nigga.
Come on, stop the ice cream truck for me real quick, man. I just gotta get some change.
Come on, my nigga. I'm playing the game,
I'm trying to get a snow
fool.
cone, bro. Stop it for me real quick.
Is it the white one?
Hell yeah.
I don't fuck with outside, man. You know I can't be over here,
Snow
nigga.
cone.
Alright.
How far is this shit down the street? Fuck, I ain't trying to go down the street, man. Alright, let me hurry up, grab this shit before niggas come outside, man. This ain't my area, nigga. A nigga really finna risk it all for some soft serve, fool.
How you doing? Hey, can I get some chili Fritos? Medium chili Fritos. Yeah, chili cheese Fritos.
Smooth, ain't nobody out here.
Hey, what's up, my nigga? Where you from? Where y'all from, nigga? What's up, nigga?
Got it.
What's up, nigga? Where y'all from, nigga? What's happening, nigga?
Oh,
What's happening? Yep. What's up with all that? What's up, nigga?
Oh my God. This nigga forgot my ice cream cone.
Yeah, nigga. Bitch ass. Stay away from my ice cream truck, nigga. Get out of here, nigga.
Wait, hold on. Where the fuck is this nigga Calvin at?
Get off of him.
Amigo, still want the chili fritos?
Ah, shit. Hey, yeah. I still want the chili Fritos. Give me water. Thank you.